That was such a good entry into Flans Garden. The steamboat got wings. James.
Yes.
I freaking love this. This is amazing. You didn't have it last year, did you?
No.
Okay.
I figured it was an easy extra 50 horsepower.
Yes. And this is also pretty cool. As a matter of fact, that particular GT3 is standing right now there at Mantai Racing. But yeah, you should check out last year's video because it was something else. It's shown that diesels are epic, but the car had, of course, a couple of comments that I had as a driver, and James has done his homework and has been addressed completely over the over the winter.
Yeah, as much as I could.
And the major thing, we already done a lap. It has now M5 steering rack, which transformed the car's handling completely. Has a bit more power as well, right? Yeah. So what's the power torques values?
So the power now is 380.
380.
And 805 Newton meters.
Wow.
Last year, well, I only know what it was last year when I had the dyno done this last week. And it was about 320.
Okay.
And 670 Newton meters, I think it was.
Yeah.
So it's a sizable shift. And
Yeah.
you can definitely feel, well, I can definitely feel it now.
It was, yeah, it's definitely fast, it's definitely good. More importantly, it is on all the right mods. As mentioned, for me, as a driver, again, steering rack. I'm waiting to put, I have a shorter rack for the Corvette, and also the Civic is getting custom rack, because that's, as a driver, the feeling is phenomenal. So, shorter rack, power, torques, different exhaust, I think, as well, or, yeah. So now it's like nice and straight. You can hear it. That came out wrong. I don't care what you are, like it's, but yeah, the exhaust is straight pipe. Yeah, Conti 7 tires. It has Koni special active shocks, but they come with, of course, with some limitation. It's not like really track shock, but still good and compliant and nice. You could do some very fun stuff on the track, as you're about to see. Other than that, EBC blue stuff all around.
Same as last year, brakes are identical.
Same as last year, and nice and stock interior. But more importantly, last year you had factory configuration of pedal shifters that would shift the opposite way around.
Yeah, it was pull up on both sides and push down on both sides. Yeah.
And now it's the correct way, so to say. So overall, freaking loved the lap, which we already did. The power steering pump seems didn't survive, or at least the power steering O-ring maybe or something.
Yeah.
So, but luckily it happened off the track and not on the track. So I guess sounds like a single turbo. Maybe, I don't know. This sounds like also a very big turbo. All right, enjoyed the lap. Once again, thank you so much.
No, thank you.
It was super cool, and also seeing cool how you've done your homework over the winter. And
Yeah, tried to put the efforts in the right places.
Yeah.
It seems to have worked quite well, so I'm happy.
Sounds
Really
good.
happy with that.
Epic.
So, yeah, no, brilliant.
All right, enjoy the lap with the Team Shitbox. Any case, welcome aboard of our locomotive. I don't know if it's gonna get as exciting as last year. You should check out last year's video to find out what I'm talking about. It was freaking epic with the GT3. But this year the car has received some mods, so that's why we're driving it again. Also, we have less weight. Hello? Do I need to lift on shift? Okay. Has some mods. First of all, the major one has an M5 steering rack. This will allow us to have shorter turn-in. Ooh, wow. Ooh, that's actually quite nice. I like that. Something fell underneath the seat, but yeah. Oh, that's very good. More importantly, the pedals are also the correct way, the pedal shifts. Last year, in stock position, left one would be upshift and the right one would be downshift, which makes very little sense for a contemporary driver. Oh yeah. We're in Conti 7s, which is a very good tire. I really like it. It's a very good all-rounder, very grippy as well. Has making a bit of more noise as well, because I think the exhaust slash downpipe has been modified from last year. Look at that, what a lovely noise. Watching out, yeah, we're good. Woo-hoo. That's so lovely. Such a great grip and rotation. It should not behave like that, yet it does. So much torque, proper diesel. And we have some noise as well. You know, it gets me excited for my Golf, my ring tracker there. You haven't seen much from it, but it is actually actively being reborn. Short backstory, I built a car back in 2021 because in 2020, when I was working for EMATS, did you work for EMATS? Yeah, I did. And I was driving up and down to Croatia every 2 weeks. Some ugly vibration on a very high speed. The vibration is gone. Should be fine, I guess. So yeah, as I was driving to Croatia, I needed an economical car, typical Vulcan car, which is something is still vibrating at high speeds. Well, anyway, I got myself a Golf 4, and of course, like every car of mine, I ended up modifying it. So the proper daily commuter, became a very shaky, torquey track car. Darkside Developments from UK built the car. It arrived to me, and before I could even do a single meter of driving with the car, it got flooded because our region got hit by massive floods in 2021. Many people lost their houses, their lives. So at that point, like, the Golf was not even that big of a miss. I tried to auction it off to raise money for the people that lost things. There was a very big operation happening back in the days. We had a big squad of volunteers. We were helping to rebuild the houses, etc. You can watch some of the videos. You can look up Flood, Sweat and Tears, what I think was the series called, a mini series, to see what was happening, how it was looking like. But yeah, the auctioning platform that was running the auction then closed the auction last moment because actually Robert from Apex, my very good friend, he made a silent bid because he wanted to buy the car and donate money therefore for charity and still raise money and whatever. But the auction platform said, hey, Robert is your friend, you're trying to sabotage the auction, because if he wants to donate the money, he would just donate the money or something like that. And auction went into nowhere. I had very little time to figure out things, to bother myself with it, because we were busy with helping the people, and I was already kind of frustrated with the whole Golf anyway. So the car stood still for like 5 years, and now, like last year, I felt like, you know what, let's do finally something with it, and we decided to rebuild it. So the engine's been taken out. It's now a Darkside Development. They're rebuilding it. Garrett is supplying brand new turbo for it. We're caging the car. I'm getting it full carbon fiber body kit, some aero, and I'm kind of excited for it. The E36 behind us is also very excited, so we're gonna... You can go, fly. There's a yellow anyway. I'm super excited for it, to drive it as a diesel, but also the cars that I'm driving nowadays, it's only gonna be excited as much for as long. So I'm actually also talking to Jerko now to see if we can fit like a 5-cylinder in it. He said he has a better idea, so let's see. First we're gonna have a diesel car, and yeah, now I'm basically, after driving this car, a fast diesel could be fun. You have diesel racing class in RCN, which is like an entry-level racing series on the Nürburgring, so maybe we can do that. But yeah, there's going to be some diesel content on the channel. But more about this car. Freaking love it. It has emotion, it has control, it has torque, it has a lot of things. There was just like some vibration that made me like back off a bit, but it seems that we're good now. I'm gonna let the E36 go and the GT3. But yeah, super happy about this one. The steering rack definitely made a big difference. The remapped paddles as well. Nice torque. Woohoo! I'm gonna be quiet now and just enjoy the ride. The BMW, because it has Munich license plates, but at the same time we also had BMW experience last 2 days. Oh, that was such a good entry into Garden. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Steamboat got wings. Ugh, the weight. Having a thumbs up on the way, on the lap itself. That was nice. So lovely. What a lovely lap. I'd just like to remind you to have a look that we have 220,000 miles on the clock, which equals almost 400,000? No. 100,000 miles is 160 kilometers. So 320 plus 32. 352. Have you ever done math while being on the Nürburgring? Math, not even once. Why did I miss the exit that I needed to take? I don't know. I was mathing. Conclusion, don't math. Definitely not on the Nürburgring. Oh, there's a McLaren that I drove recently. La 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 la. Yeah, the brakes definitely did not appreciate this lap. So yeah, what should I say? Oh, look at those wheels. Mwah. It's just like mwah, chef kiss. Anyway, now that we're gone through the traffic, about the car, freaking loved it. It's not intended as a track car. It's intended as a family commuter, and it's freaking amazing. You know me, I love wagons. I love my M5 Touring or the M3 Touring that I had. But this, if only BMW would still make like a proper fast diesel, but unfortunately with all the government regulations, it's not feasible, interesting, and although diesels are much cleaner and efficient than people are being forced to believe. Look, it even didn't pull any black smoke, I think. But yeah, fantastic. Loved it. Very capable, amazing car. Are there limiting factors? Yeah, suspension is a bit on the soft side, but as a daily, you want it to be soft. Oh, look at that. No, loved it. Freaking loved it. So, thank you, James. And too bad Jay couldn't join you this time. So hope to see you next ring trip. But this was amazing. You've done fantastic homework over the winter, and this shows. Does it need anything else? Nah. Because all the small annoyances from last year have been really addressed and beyond. And if you're gonna do more to the car, then it's gonna lose its purpose as a very fantastic, beautiful, sporty, daily family car with potential to go on a track and blow everyone's mind. By blow everyone's mind, I say the cars that were driving there, they're probably thinking like, what the hell is that? I'm thinking also, what the hell is that? Oh, it's a Polish invasion. I think we got pierogi. Is this the Pierogi Express?
Yes, hello my friend. I'm going to the hotel, to the fridge,
Yeah?
and I bring you your pierogi.
Fantastic, thank you so much.
It will be your best day.
I'm excited. Do I need to cook them, or I can eat them like that? They're pre-cooked.
You
I should cook them.
You need to cook them. They are deep frozen, and you need to cook them.
All right.
And we've got also for you cheese.
Cheese. Ah, nice.
Like
The
last time in the,
Fantastic.
in the COVID. Yeah.
Happy wife, happy life.
Yeah.
And my
I will back in 5 minutes.
Okay, perfect. Got pierogi. We have lap with a wagon diesel, and we got pierogi. This is a freaking epic day.